Bunnibi, and today I'm going to be opening a Squishmallow's Mystery Squad blind bag. I'm a huge Squishmallow fan. I love collecting these. They're so cute, and I just love plushies in general, so I'm very excited to open this. Here are all the different ones you can get on the front of the bag. They are also scented, which should be interesting. On the side of the bag, there are a ton of different Squishmallows on it, and it also says Squishmallows. 6 to collect, and this is Series 1. Alright, let's open this up. We got the dragon, which is super awesome. He's so adorable. The smell, on the other hand, isn't my favorite. It's like this weird lime chocolate mint. I don't know, it's very strange. I'm not sure what they were going for. He has glittery horns, and he's also got glittery wings on the gold part, and he's also got this really cool swirly kind of thing going. There are multiple different sizes of Squishmallows, and he is an 8-inch. And my nails ended up matching pretty well, which is really weird. Overall, he is super adorable. I love him. He's so cute. I definitely recommend these if you want something cute in your home or just as a gift for someone. I think they are really fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!